Hello y'all, hope y'all are all doing good. I know it's been quite a bit since my last video. I think my last one was either in March or April. Uh, but I feel like I should probably start making videos again as it's been quite a long time. I've been pretty busy throughout the summer and the beginning of this fall. I've been working a lot, got a lot of college applications and stuff I've been doing. But some of that's starting to wrap up a little bit. So now I have a little bit more time on my hands to do things like these. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm just going to be talking about pretty much just Georgia and the southeast. I'm going to be talking about the east a little bit, but really there's not a whole lot going on right now when it comes to weather. Not a whole lot in the tropics, not a whole lot with severe weather going on. I mean, there's really nothing exciting. I mean, especially not for Georgia. Looking at current temperatures right now. Let me open up Epic Pin real quick. I forgot to do that. Uh, yeah, we can see current temperatures right now 67. In the mountains in Blairsville, it's 67. Uh, 73 still in Atlanta. Pretty much all of northern Georgia, upper 60s to around 70. Middle Georgia, same thing. I mean, even some of the coldest places are like Athens. I think that's Ellijay. I think Ellijay is this one. Okay, it's Gilmer County. Okay. But yeah, so pretty warm evening. It's not 84. Valdosta hasn't updated. Temperatures are pretty uniform across the entire state. Not much going on. Lower 70s in urban areas, pretty much. As you get into the rural areas, more radiational cooling. Temperatures falling into the upper 60s. Pretty much how the night's gonna go. Temperatures are just gonna slowly fall down to the low 50s. Which we'll talk about that in just a second. But yeah, high temperatures today, very warm for this time of year, about 5 to 10 degrees above average. Valdosta, we can see 86 down there seems to be the hottest place. Valdosta and Vidalia. Even northern Georgia, many places in around right around 80. Blairsville 75, 82 all the way up in Toccoa. So yeah, very warm. And I mean, this really isn't going to be changing. We look at temperatures overnight tonight. And we can see definitely, I mean, really not much of a change. 8 a.m. temperatures right around, you know, the mid 50s for much of the state. As you can see, like the entire state is just even in the 50s. Nothing much going on. 54 Athens, 55 down in Macon, 57 in Atlanta, 55 in Valdosta, even like 58, 59 in Savannah. And tomorrow afternoon, another really hot day. Or not really hot, but like for this time of year. Temperatures probably pushing 90 around Valdosta. We can see Atlanta, Athens right around 80. And we have cooler air up in the mountains, low 70s. And yeah, tomorrow night, not much changing. However, we do have some cooler air pushing down from the northeast from a high pressure up there. So maybe it's a little bit of cooler air in the 40s over towards Athens. And then, yeah, Friday, another hot day. A little cooler. Northeastern Georgia, probably right around 80, but I mean, it's almost 90 in Albany, Valdosta, 2 days in a row. Very warm. Uh, and yeah, none of this really is going to be changing over the next little bit. We can see that little push of cold air kind of indicated on the GFS. Not completely, but we get a bit of a bigger one comes Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And we have a high over the northeast, push some cooler, more cloudy, pretty much more clouds, cooler afternoons. The nights are still going to be warm, but also some cooler afternoons. You can see Sunday, it's looking like we could be right around 70 in many places, and maybe some 60s for highs on Monday in northern Georgia, and then Tuesday, kind of same deal. Looking at like the GFS ensemble series or GEFS. So yeah, GFS ensembles. I think this is a little bit of a better idea. You can see high temperatures probably right around in between 75 and probably 70 for much of northern Georgia. Southern Georgia still mid 80s. And then this is kind of weird because if you have like wherever we have clouds, which is kind of uncertain at this point, it could be much colder. Uh, it's, Sunday night pretty hot still for this time of year. Monday afternoon, you can see like the GEFS has high 62 in Athens. So yeah, we could be looking at some highs, probably right around 65, 70 in some places. Uh, and then that's pretty much it. The next week heats up again, really nothing and big after that. So a little bit of a cool down Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, maybe like highs in the 60s for a couple days in northern Georgia. Not much changing in South Georgia. We can see maybe like a little bit cooler in Valdosta, but like down there, Valdosta, Tifton, Cordell, like Waycross, but nothing really, nothing big. We take a look at like total rainfall, and some of the models do indicate a little bit of precip from this Monday and Tuesday. We can see maybe some like very little rain overall though. I don't even believe the GFS has any rain. Let's actually check on that real quick. Yeah, GFS has like maybe some scattered showers Sunday and Monday, but that's about it. Really nothing in the way. So I mean, as you probably know, many places, if you live in Georgia, as you probably know, many places have already gone an entire month with no rain. No, I mean, like where I live, we haven't had rain since Helene. So hopefully, we do need some rain soon. We need it in moderation. Though. We don't need another like random 4 inches of rain, because we already are at our yearly rainfall. Like on my weather station right here on my desk, we have had 49.87 inches of rain. Our average here, I live just south of Athens. Our average here is about 49 inches. We're already over that, and we still have 2 months to go. So that's about 6, 7 inches of rain, because December is a pretty rainy month here. And so, we need rain, but not a whole lot of it, because we don't want to go too far over that average. We want to kind of stay near it. But if we could get just like quarter inch or something, that help a little bit. But that'll pretty much wrap this up. Should have another one of these Friday night or Saturday night, or maybe even in the morning. I could probably do one actually. But yeah, appreciate y'all watching it, and have a good day.